Hello, welcome to my Roblox channel. Please like and subscribe for my 100,000 Robux giveaway.
Woo! Good job. You guys, come on, give them a hand. Step up. All right. Okay. Thank you for supporting your fellow students.
My hands didn't get red this time.
All right. So Module 2, Test 1 review. The reason I have Mr. Pass here is because we did it a little differently than the other classes. We did multiplying and dividing, and other classes didn't do multiplying and dividing, but they did fractions. So it's a little different. So here are the directions. Solve each problem using your knowledge of negatives and positives. Please show your work using negative tables, which I call good guys and bad guys, right? Or Dorito Man, which another name for that is Math Man. Now, I'm not going to require you do that on every problem, but I would recommend that you do it just to make sure that you get the answers right. And I'm going to require you do it on at least some of the problems. Okay, yes? Yes? Okay, so the period F's video goes slower and students come up and stuff. So you can watch that video too if you want. Or if you want to watch it really fast, I'm going to go really fast. You could pause it and rewind. Okay, since this is addition subtraction, we're using good guys, bad guys 5, good guys 17. Good guys win, so I'm going to circle it. And say how many points did they win by? We subtract. It's always subtraction. Okay? The video. Alright, ooh, double sign. So if there's a double sign here, I need to use Dorito Man, or if you know, then you're subtracting. I want to rewrite the problem so I don't get confused. Good guys 23 points, bad guys 6 points. So that means the good guys win. And I want to find out how many points they won by. Okay, 7. Something like that. So, positive 7. I like it when... Look at that. I just wanted to see if you guys are paying attention there. Because... Alright, so positive 17. Okay. Another double sign. And it's the same double sign, so it makes a negative. Negative 14, negative 5. Alright, so 14 on the bad guy's side, 5 on the bad guy's side. The bad guys dominated the game. We add them up and we say
Negative 19.
Final score was 19, so negative 19. Bad guys, yes, Miss Skylar? If it's addition subtraction, then and they're the same sign, you add them together. Correct. Alright, so here we go. Positive and negative. Okay, what happens first?
6 is positive.
6 is positive. And then? 13 is negative. Do you have yes?
No!
I'm sorry, excuse me? For number 3? Okay, that would be true if it was multiplying. We're not multiplying, we're adding, subtracting. So good guys, bad guys, it's whoever won the game. Since the bad guys won the game, right? The rules are always different for addition, subtraction, so be careful. Okay, bad guys won. That means bad guys win. We're going to say, how many points did they win by? I don't know. 7. See, hey, this one I did correct. Thank you, Mr. Nate. Alright. Moving on, moving on. Negative 13 right there. Okay, so let's see. This one's like the other one where the bad guys score a whole lot of points. 10 and 4. Final score 14 to 0. Bad guys won. Any questions? And we're going quick. Do I need to leave that up or can I move down? Am I moving too fast for anybody?
No.
Okay. Okay, So, we have a double sign here. That means we need to change it using Dorito Man. Yep, 2 negatives make a positive. Thank you, Jonathan. So I'm going to rewrite it so I don't get confused. And then I do this. 11 good guys, 4 bad guys. Good guys win by something. 7. We got a lot of answers that are 7. Yes, sir? You wait patiently for us to get done, please. Thank you. Alright. You guys see any double signs?
A lot.
How many? 2 double signs. You are correct. Alright, I'm going to rewrite the problem so I don't get confused. Yes. It's in the box back there. Alright, so I'm going to use my good guys and bad guys. 12, 8, and -3. What's the final score? 20-3. Right? Of course. Positive 17, according to Jacob. And Jacob is correct.
Does a dot in the middle mean times?
Dot means times. Dot means multiplication. Alright. Nobody wants to do this one?
I'll try.
Okay. Double signs?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. What do we do with that one?
That one, that becomes a negative.
Correct. So I'm going to rewrite it. -71. Okay, now what?
That you good guys and bad guys.
Mm-hmm.
Good guys scored 15.
Mm-hmm.
Bad guys scored 71.
Awesome. Okay, 96. Who won? Super bad guys won. Okay. How many points did they win by? I don't know, but we always subtract. 81. Bad guys. Alright, we're almost done.
I get it all right.
Okay, 2 negatives make a positive when you're multiplying. So, right there. Positive 70. Yeah, the dot is multiplication, yes. Okay? Again, the dot is multiplication. We have a positive times a negative.
Wait, why'd you skip number 9?
I didn't skip number 9. I did it. Okay? A positive times a negative is a negative. And a positive times a positive, what do you guys think? Number 9 was positive 70 and negative times a negative. Okay. And this is 66.
It's positive 66.
Alright?
Positive 66.
Okay, right now, whenever you have these word problems, we're looking for keywords. Write an integer that represents a loss of 11 yards. What's our keyword? Loss. Yes, and that is a negative. Thank you, Mr. DJ. -11. Alright? Okay, Mr. Smith owes a lot of money. His friend, Mr. Moneybanks, owes 200 bucks. What's our code word so far? Owes. Is owes a positive or negative? Negative. So I'm going to write a negative right here because I know that's a -200. Okay, Mr. Smith owes 5 times more. So 5 times more means multiplication. So I'm going to go -200 times 5. And they're saying how much does he owe? -1,000. That's a lot of money. Yeah, so you're going to have 2 points on all of these. You're going to have to write the number sentence and answer the question. When Prince left the North Pole, the temperature outside was -18.
Polar bear. Left the North Pole.
But you know what? I decided this is a little too easy, so I'm going to change it. Instead of giving you a negative sign, it's going to say below 0. So you guys have to know that that's a negative. So 18 below 0 is going to be a negative. So negative 18. When he arrived in New York City, the temperature had increased. That means positive or negative? Good, positive. So below 0 is negative, increased is positive. So increased by 48. And
Yes,
what
it
is the temperature? No, we have to start at negative. So this is an adding, subtracting. Right, so 48 minus 18.
30.
The good guys win by 30, so be careful. It's only 30 degrees in New York City. Right? Because if you think about it, you start negative, you got to go up to 0 and more. So it ends up being only 30 degrees. Okay? Last one.
Everything is awesome.
Does anybody want to do this problem?
No, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead, sir. Do you have a code name?
No.
Okay.
Mr.
No.
No.
302.
It's Dr. No. Yes.
302.
Okay, but you need to help me do it. Last Monday, Noah had $745. Is that a positive or negative?
Positive. Positive.
It's a positive.
It's all positive.
On Tuesday,
Oh, wait, no.
he purchased. What's our code word?
Purchase.
Purchase. So is that a positive or negative, sir? Negative, right? So negative $400. Then on Wednesday he paid his cell phone bill. So paid, what is that, Mr.
Negative.
Doctor? No, positive or negative for paid? Negative. Good. So we got positive, negative, negative. All right, 745 positive, negative 400, and negative 43. Okay. All right. How do we do that, Dr. No?
You do good guys and bad guys.
Yes, you do. 745, 443, 443, and we see
Positive 302.
we got to subtract it,
Positive
and the answer is $300.
302.
Give yourselves a hand. You just did a great job on that. Paying attention.
Mr. Paz is 745.
302.
745, not 743.
Oh, wait.
You put 745.
Oh, why did I do that? Don't get old like me.
Mr. Pass, do you have a
Will do.
Josiah Fecto Potter?
You guys, you're going to. It's called aging.
What?
Do you have a Josiah Fecto Potter?
And